The ACDelco Professional Headlight Dimmer Switch Connector is a high-quality aftermarket replacement part designed to meet or exceed the original equipment standards. Ideal for use in various vehicle systems including ignition, starting and charging, body electrical, lighting, and engine fuel management. This connector is built to provide the performance and dependability you expect from ACDelco, a trusted brand in the automotive industry. With its precise manufacturing, this connector ensures a perfect fit and reliable function, making it an essential component for any repair or replacement job involving your vehicle's headlight dimmer switch. This premium connector is specifically designed to replace the wiring harness for a floor-mount headlight dimmer switch, a common issue in older vehicles. The installation process is straightforward, and the part is engineered to deliver lasting performance in both new and used vehicles. One reviewer mentioned using this genuine ACDelco part for their vehicle during the winter months, noting that while one side of the locking pins broke during assembly, the product overall performed as expected. However, they also pointed out that the wires were not color-coded, making it necessary to carefully follow the wiring layout during installation. Despite the minor challenge with the unmarked wires, the reviewer appreciated the connector's quality and ease of use, particularly in the context of an old vehicle that required reliable replacement parts. The ACDelco Professional Headlight Dimmer Switch Connector is designed to provide the same level of performance and durability as the original parts, ensuring your headlight dimmer switch works as intended and giving you peace of mind while driving at night. If you're looking to replace or upgrade your vehicle's headlight dimmer switch connector, this ACDelco product offers an affordable and dependable solution. Click the link in the description to purchase this premium aftermarket part today and ensure your vehicle is equipped with reliable and long-lasting components. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more high-quality automotive parts and solutions.